we're getting ready to check out.
Headed to Osaka.
And we are taking the bullet train today. Woohoo! Yeah, something I really have always wanted to do is ride the bullet train in Japan. So, pretty excited about this trip. It's like just 2.5 hours from Tokyo Station to Osaka. Awesome! And we got our luggage figured out yesterday. I didn't film the rest of it, but I checked our air tags today, and it's already at the hotel in Osaka. How freaking cool is that? All right, let's go. You ready?
Yep.
Just need to wait on the number 9. Take it to like where Disneyland is, and then get on the metro. We'll take that all the way to Tokyo Station. I'm ready. I'm excited about this train. So pumped. Okay, we just made it to Tokyo Station. Now we just need to get on the lift, head upstairs, and find out where we go. We were here the other day and we saw a bunch of signs, so it shouldn't be hard to find. But it's busy today. It's real busy here. So we are at Tokyo Station and we're heading to the Shinkansen platforms. And this place is a maze. And it's very, very big. How fast does it go? 200 miles an hour.
200 miles an hour.
What? That's gonna be so cool.
Yeah.
We're gonna zip across the Japanese countryside all the way to Osaka.
Yeah.
It's gonna be fun.
Yeah.
Nice. So at the terminal, the ladies in the pink outfits rush in there real quick, clean up the train, and then they'll actually flip all the chairs around so that way the chairs are facing the direction of the train for when we leave. So here they are, they're flipping them around right now. Ready to get on.
We're in Osaka.
Okay, we're here, and now we gotta figure out what we're doing because we can't check in till like 4. So it's 2:30 now, and we have an hour and a half to kill before we can check in. I think we'll probably try and find a train over to nearby our Airbnb and go from there.
It's way better that we do not hold. Osaka. We just found our way out of the metro, so that's great.
Now we have 50 minutes until we can check into our Airbnb. But I think we're gonna go try and find something to eat because we're pretty hungry, and they're very, very strict on check-in and check-out times here. So there's a chance I've never said this before, but it is freaking beautiful here. Holy cow, I love it. Got done eating, and we are heading to our Airbnb now. It's 4:05, so we can check in.
The check code in the tablet one more time and see like it happened the same error or not.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
One eternity later.
Oh yes, yes. So please kindly input the information like as the required on the tablet first, and then please kindly take a picture of you and your passport. And then for all the guests, we need the same flow. So after you finish it, you can call us again.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Holy cow, that was like the worst check-in thing we've ever done in our lives. That took forever, and we had to enter in all of our information, and everything kept crashing. Ugh. Looks perfect to me.
My bed. No, that's your bed. You can sleep with mommy, daddy.
I think you're sleeping there, Harper.
Mommy!
Okay, we just went and picked up our bags.
They tried to deliver it to us at 11:30 this morning.
Yeah. She said yesterday when I dropped it off, like, oh, I don't know if it'll make it there by check-in. Yeah, they tried to drop it off at 11 o'clock today. So luckily, the distribution point was just 1 block away from us. So we went and picked it up. Easy, so easy, so easy. $50, well spent.
Awesome.
Yeah.
We didn't have to mess with any of our luggage today.
So great.
Well, some, but
Yeah.
most of our luggage we didn't have to mess with.
Yeah. So now we're gonna go get some dinner. And I don't even know where we're going.
We just got some gyoza, some noodles. Adam got some chicken and rice dish. Girls got some edamame, some rice. All sounds delicious. We did them outside. Remember?
Okay, that was a great meal. Oh, and I am stuffed full now. Let's go home. We got a huge day tomorrow. See you later.